What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mazda CX-90 remote key fob. This Mazda CX-90 key is going to be for the 2024 to 2025 Mazda CX-90, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob, the first thing we're going to do is pry off this cover, the side that has the Mazda logo on it. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to come up to the top right here, and I'm going to get my screwdriver behind this cover like this, and then just carefully pop that off. Go ahead and pull that cover off, and then we see one more cover right here. For this one, the screwdriver will just fit in the end of it like that. And it can pop up and pull off. Now we see our battery right here. And there's a little bit of a cutout right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. You can get your screwdriver in that little cutout, get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. Tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we'll grab this cover, and you can see that this tab sticks out on one side. That tab will fit in that notch like that. And then that cover snaps down. Then we'll snap this cover back on. And if you notice, this one tab sticks out of the corner like that, just on the one corner. So that's what you'll line up. You can see it fits right in that notch like that. Once you have that lined up, then go ahead and snap that back on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.